our project, my partner David DeBoren and I decided to make a simple blackjack game. As you can see here, I have the option to hit or stand. I'm gonna hit just to see what happens, and up I go bust. So now I have to quit. So the main objective of the game is to get as close to 21 as possible without going over 21. And I would say the trickiest parts of the game would probably be creating the methods to add up the scores. So I have a get blackjack card value here, which returns a value of each of the cards, and I have a get blackjack score, which returns a score. And the reason why it's tricky is because in blackjack, an ace is either a 1 or an 11, so you have to incorporate that into the method. Another tricky part about this project was the different game states. So as you can see here, I have an enumeration of the different game states, and I've incorporated that into my update method. So I'm using monogame, and my choice of language is C#. When we were creating this update method, we decided to use the switch and default because it was easy to switch from different game states. So if the player is hitting, we just switch to the player hitting game state, and so on and so on. We mostly pair programmed, which was our first time doing that for the both of us, but it turned out to be very efficient. And some ways we can improve the game are we could have scores, like incorporate a financial aspect towards this game, or have a repeat button that gives the player the option to keep playing. As you can see here, I'll show you the first class I made. This is the card class, and this is the class that creates all the cards that you saw previously in the game. And here I have a enumeration of rank and an enumeration of suit, and I have a boolean which tells me whether the card is face up or not. Now in C#, your properties is your getters and setter methods. So we have a get rank and a get suit and a get whether the card is face up or not. And the only method I have is a flip over method, which flips the card over. So we had a lot of fun designing this project. We never really worked with C# before or monogame, but we did read a couple of books, and it taught us a lot about object-oriented programming. Thank you.